ABC, Little Learner.
Happy Earth Day! Hey there, eco-friends. I'm Timmy, your nature-loving explorer. I'm a passionate explorer who believes in the power of nature. And today is a very special day, and we're celebrating the one and only Earth. It's Earth Day. Let's embark on a green adventure together as we celebrate our amazing planet and learn how to protect it. Now, let's get outside and explore the beauty of nature. Whether we're hiking through the forest, splashing in a stream, or marveling at a colorful garden, there's so much to discover and appreciate. Let's take a moment to soak in the sights, sounds, and smells of the great outdoors. But Earth Day isn't just about admiring nature. It's also about taking action to protect it. Together, we can make a difference by reducing waste, conserving water, and being mindful of our impact on the environment. Every small act of kindness to the earth adds up to make a big difference. Well, eco-friends, that's a wrap on our Earth Day adventure. Thank you for joining me in celebrating our beautiful planet and learning how we can be good stewards of the earth. Remember, every day is Earth Day, so let's continue to cherish and protect our precious home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly adventures. Together, we can make a difference and create a greener, cleaner world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep caring, and keep loving our amazing planet. Happy Earth Day.